The person who talks most of his own virtue is often the least virtuous. Democracy is good. I say this because other systems are worse. Action itself, so long as I am convinced that it is right action, gives me satisfaction. It is only too easy to make suggestions and later try to escape the consequences of what we say. The policy of being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Life is like a game of cards. The hand you are dealt is determinism. The way you play it is. A leader or a man of action in a crisis almost always acts subconsciously and then thinks of the reason for his action. Culture is the widening of the mind and of the spirit. The person who runs away exposes himself to that very danger more than a person who sits quietly. Great causes and little men go in together. Every little thing counts in a crisis. Ignorance is always afraid of change. The only alternative to coexistence is co-destruction. The art of people is a true mirror to their minds. What we really are matters more than what others people think of us. Without peace, all other dreams vanish and are reduced to ashes. Facts are fact and will not disappear on account of your likes. There is perhaps nothing so bad and so dangerous in life as fear. Failure comes only when we forget our ideals and objectives and principles. The man who has gotten everything he wants is all in favor of peace and order. Our chief defect is that we are more given to talking about things than to doing them. The purely agitational attitude is not good enough for a detailed consideration of a subject. To be in good moral condition requires at least as much training as to be in good physical condition. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. The highest type of efficiency is that which can utilize existing material to the best advantage. Thanks for watching Motivational Quotes. Do subscribe to my channel, friends. Jawahar Nehru Quotes.